It's like 7 p.m. and I meant to wake up earlier, but quarantine. I'm back again. Guess who's back? Tell a friend. I feel like it's important to preface for context purposes. I'm a first going to second year student in conflict studies and human rights at the University of Ottawa. Anyway, yeah. This is a tutorial on how to take notes in university. Stick around if you want to know how to do the damn thing. If you're in a class of 300 students, you probably don't want to be pulling out your Crayola markers and taking notes and drawing, because 1, you look like a child, and 2, the profs in university go very fast with the material. So I take my notes on my computer. I'll put a screen recording here, but as you can see, there's like a thicker font for the titles. The big title at the top is whatever the PowerPoint title is. I save them by date and course code, and then the bigger font, like the thicker font, is what's already on the PowerPoint, and then what's in smaller font is what the teacher is saying out loud. So that's how I take my notes on my computer, and then basically from there I take the notes from my computer, and either after the class or during the weekend I'll like transfer them into notes on paper, just because that's how I learn personally. I can't just read things, I have to like rewrite them. So I'll rewrite them into my notebook and add little drawings. Add little drawings that help me understand what's going on from what the teacher said, or like things that'll make me laugh, aka remember what I'm in exam, you know? Because then I'm looking at it and I'm like, why are you a 5-year-old? Why are you saying that? So I'm gonna switch it up and segue into my actual notes to show you guys how I do the calligraphy and how I write, in case you wanted to know. It's really simple. Okay.
This is the Muji 0.5 tip pen. It's a gel ink pen. Works super well. 0.25 Muji pen, fine tip. And this is just a regular schmeggler 0.5 pencil. And the Crayola super tip marker. These are my Papermate pens. Gel tip. Woo! Okay, so I go in with the super tip, write a strip, then with the 0.5 pen I just write in calligraphy university, and then how to take notes at the top. For the calligraphy part, all you need to do is shade down wherever the lettering you're going down with your pen. It makes sense when you watch it in the video. And then over the like little boxes you drew, you go in and like shade it in just like you would do bubble letters. So it's pretty simple. Yay! Then when you're done that, I go in with the Papermate gel tip pen and I just write step 1 as a subtitle, and then with the 0.5 pen, just write whatever's on the PowerPoint, and then lastly, I write whatever the teacher's saying. Yada yada yada, yabba dabba doo. There you go. You got it. And I got you!
I hope you guys understood. That's basically how I take notes in university. To be honest, all you really need to do is pay attention in class. Pay attention in class in all capital letters and do whatever works best for you. So for me personally, the colors work because then I'm like, it's less of like a task but more of homework. And then if I often turn things when it comes to politics or history into like children's stories or ridiculous jokes.
Why are you saying that?
Because that makes me remember them better, you know? For example, in my high school notes, Trump was often drawn as a baby, crying because someone took his lollipop away. I can't get a wall. Okay, Oompa Loompa, calm down. Whether you're going into university or already in university, or an 8th grade student watching this because you wanted to, thank you. I appreciate all of you. And I hope this was useful. If y'all want any other type of videos, let me know down in the comment section below. You know what to do. Do the damn thing. I'll see you in the next video. Bye. guys, I hate doing promotion. You know when people are like, comment, and subscribe. I hate doing that. It's like when your parents tell you to go do the dishes when you're about to stand up and go do the dishes anyway. Then you're like, no, I'm not going to do it. So